planets. You know them, you love them, but I love them more. And today we're going to be answering an important question that I have found asked in my comments. What are the top 10 sexiest planets? When I look up at the stars and see that beautiful thing we call space, I often have myself wondering the same question. So today we shall answer it here at Uranus Lover 48, the top 10 sexiest planets. Fittingly, at number 10, we have Kepler 10b, a coreless rocky planet. Oh wow, this planet is most notable for its rocky terrain and magma-rich oceans. And you know what rocky means? They're gonna rock your world. It's about 1.47 the diameter of Earth, which means that it has a little bit of heft to it, so it knows what it wants. This planet is pretty awesome, and I think it should. And just look at it. Kepler 10b, I love you. Mwah. At number 9, we have Gliese 581g. Now, this planet is pretty cool because it is actually considered to possibly be able to be inhabited by alien creatures. Can you imagine how hot that is? You can go to this planet and you don't know what you can meet or anything. Very mysterious. And it plays into the intrigue that I like. However, it is actually very heavily disputed if it even exists anymore. Come on, Puerto Rico. Can't you keep your record straight? So sadly, I can't put it too high because it might not even exist. But if it does exist, this planet is pretty sexy. At number 8, we have HD 189733b. Wow, with a name like that, you know that this baby has got some class. It has a mass at over about 11.2% of Jupiter's, so it's even bigger than Jupiter? And I thought Jupiter was a hubba, but oh well. But it's so far away. Look at this thing. It's blue. It's a nice cobalt blue, but the weather on this planet is kooky crazy. It's gonna go all over the place, so this baby might be a little bit more adventurous, but it is still pretty hot. It's even classified as a hot Jupiter. Ooh. At number 6, we have 55 Cancri E, the first super Earth to be orbiting a main sequence star. A trendsetter. We also it is found that it has 3,000 Kelvin. And I said hot before? Ho chi mama! And think about this. It's kind of like a cooler, better Earth. I mean, a super Earth? And Earth is a pretty cool planet, although a little bit generic. This thing looks like actual hell. It looks cool with all the cracks and the lava with volcanic activity. That's pretty freaking sweet, Lois. At number 5, we have HR 5183b. And man, they might have to call HR with this planet. It's been nicknamed the Whiplash Planet. Its orbit is wacky, as even the scientists call it. It has a very elliptical orbit compared to the orbit that we usually have that's circular. It goes, whoa, and then goes, whoa! Isn't that crazy? I like a girl who can do something unlike the other girls. So this planet is number 5 on our list of sexiest of all time. At number 4, we have WASP-12b, otherwise known as WASP-12b. This is one of the most interesting and unique planets out there. It's egg-shaped? Isn't that weird? Planets are usually circular. A hot bod to be sure. And think about this. It's so close to the sun that its atmosphere is being stripped from its own body? I don't think this video can be on YouTube anymore. It's even bigger than Jupiter as well. And to even go a little bit further, this planet does not reflect much light, only 6%, so it blends in around the world around it, or I guess the space around it. This planet has so much going for it, it had to be number 4 on this list. At number 3, we're at the home stretch with Toy 3757B. Wow, look at that orange and yellow hue. It looks like a big piece of Halloween candy. And it would feel like it too, because it has a marshmallow texture. Marshmallow, I know, isn't that crazy? Roast that little baby on a fire and it'll taste delicious. Think about this, it's also a gas giant as well. Gas giant with marshmallow things? I just can't even handle that. I mean, look at that thing. I love it. It had to be number 3. Mwah. At number 2, our runner-up, we have Kelt 9b. The hottest exoplanet that we have ever found in the Milky Way. This planet makes my pants a Milky Way. I mean, think about it. It's the hottest planet ever. Need I say any more? There's bikinis and there's bathing suits galore on this hot Jupiter that's already 2.3 times bigger than our Jupiter. If only it wasn't 607 light years away. If only there was a planets that were closer that were this hot. I cannot wait until we get light speed travel so I can go to this planet. Honorable mention is Pluto, a planet that had something done dirty to it. A planet that's no longer a planet anymore? That's bogus. Neil deGrasse Tyson, you don't respect sizes of all categories, but I do. We are sorry and we are standing Pluto here. Now, our number 1 pick. Who could it be? There's a whole galaxy and universe of planets, but I think everyone here knows what the real number 1 is. You know it. You love her. It's Uranus, a planet that is so unique and not that far away. It's turned a little bit weird. It has a ring on it, and it's blue. What a strange, quirky, and awesome planet that is only a couple planets away from ours. I love you, Uranus. I'm gonna put the ring, another ring, on Uranus. And that is our top 10 video. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And tell me your top 10 sexiest planets down below. It's time for me to blast off!